या पॉजिटिव साइड आई टोल्ड यू कि मीन्स पहले तो स्टूडेंट्स को वी हैड टू फोर्स देम, हम लोग स्पून फीडिंग करते थे उनकी, डू लाइक दिस, टेस्ट है, योर हैंड राइटिंग इज़ नॉट गुड, यू आर नॉट, आई मीन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर योर टेस्ट एंड ऑल. बट अभी आई एम फाइंडिंग व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग टेस्ट एंड ऑनलाइन टेस्ट दे आर गेटिंग फुल मार्क्स. And many guardians they are approaching कि madam अभी he has started studying, she has started studying. पहले तो she was a very careless girl, अभी he was a very careless girl. तो we feel very happy.
आपको अब तक ऐसे इश्यूज आए हैं कि कोई बच्चा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस इसलिए नहीं कर पा रहा बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव द इंटरनेट कनेक्शन?
Many students.
How do you deal with it? What have you suggested?
We are suggesting them to arrange, or many जैसे many guardians are there, they are having 3 kids, 4 kids. So they are sharing, one day one is attending, one day one is not attending, something like that.
Are you maintaining the attendance as before?
Yes, every
The
day.
same thing?
Yeah, in the way we do in the school, everything is going in the
Everything
same
is
way.
going on.
Yes.
See.
अभी तो we are thinking जैसे first to complete the course of the first term. More than that, just now I told you 2 chapters
Yes,
more.
you did.
Again we are going to revise the
Revise.
course. Revise the course.
So this would help those students
Yes,
to
yes,
cope up with
yes,
the
yes, that to cope up. We talk to them. थोड़ा सा म्यूट करके we talk to them. Teachers are interacting, they are asking sometimes personal things also. अभी जैसे just now I told you drawing competition, and we have started extracurricular activities also. तो they are जैसे अभी yoga, Zumba we are starting, and games, music, many things we are starting कि one day they should enjoy.
Enjoy.
Yeah, and they are enjoying also.
So do you think this is actually helping students and teachers build a stronger relationship than before?
Now they are becoming more closer you can say.
Yeah.
And पहले भी our teachers are quite friendly to students. Strict also, but quite friendly. They can present their problems, they can discuss with us, counseling is there, counselors are here. So firstly also they used to do, but अभी तो I don't find that they are having any problem regarding this. I told you कि they phone also, they contact also. Many times students are coming, parents are coming. I have to told them first to be very sweet to your students. I have told already meetings, we are taking Zoom meetings. Already I tell them you have to be very nice to your students because they are staying at home. They are very depressed. They are missing their schools, they are missing their company. अभी isolated they are. Already we are telling our teachers. And students को भी means every day I think WhatsApp पे कोई ना कोई message we keep on giving them.
So the entire process is motivating.
Process is going on, but classrooms are not here. Otherwise, everything is going on. Rather, they are studying more. To be very frank to you, guardians are coming, they are going. I mean, we cannot tell them because they are also in problem. What other schools will do, we'll do the same thing. We are very much affected because expenses are like that. We are paying the salary, maintenance, taxes, many things are here. We have to pay them. Teachers के all, 4th grade and all, everybody should be paid later. They are depending on us. And very surprising it is कि now also morning time we were discussing कि in coaching centers they are paying in lakhs and lakhs online classes के लिए, but school fees के लिए they don't have money. It is very
This is still going on.
going on. This was the best time for government to मतलब stop all these things. Coaching. We are better and very expert they are. Anything we tell them Zoom में, it has taken only one day. So they are expert in that. I mean, kids they are taking interest, and you are finding also generation. कि I am not computer friendly, but even then, it was means this was the only alternative. You have to learn. Very lucky I am that teachers they have not taken time. One day, 2 days, and they are doing it. Even junior, pre-nursery to 4 also, senior also till 12, they all are attending the classes. Already syllabus and all in advance we make.
Okay.
So all syllabus and all with teachers. We have not distributed to our parents because we are thinking to teach more. Because again we have to revise because we are not, time is unpredictable it is for this problem.
For this.
So we are not knowing. We are teaching them. Even they are doing written portion. बच्चों के साथ ना समटाइम्स इट हैपन्स बेटा कि हम लोग को बोलना पड़ता है, उनको अपनी प्रॉब्लम बतानी पड़ती है. इन केस यू शेयर योर प्रॉब्लम्स दे कोऑपरेट. You don't have to order them.